So the biggest thing I seek to do is to get the human species to the next stage of our evolution. And that would be a cosmocentric civilization where we are truly in touch with our spiritual core. We are truly connected to whatever higher power we believe in, but also we're truly connected to each other. Now, what this means is, if you've seen Star Trek, you'll notice that in Star Trek, there's a world federation. There are no nations. There are no national flags. There's an Earth flag. And there's this incredible amount of connectedness between all human beings. This was Gene Roddenberry's vision when he created Star Trek. What I seek to do in my life is to help bring forth this reality where human beings see themselves as an Earth civilization, as an Earth species. It doesn't mean countries disappear, but it means that one would never go to war with another country because we understand that us and them don't exist. We are one species, and we thrive best when we are living in unity. So in addition to all of the things that Mind Valley is doing, helping get out great ideas for wellness, great ideas for mental attitude, great relationship advice, there's a thing that we are seeking to do, which is move human beings to the next stage of our natural evolution, and that is cosmocentric existence, oneness.
Okay, how would you do that? Because it seems too good to be true, especially in this day and age, in this world that we're living in right now with all the atrocities that we're seeing. So how would you hope to start? Where would you hope to start?
It's not easy. It's totally not easy. It's not easy because they are consistent forces, mainly right-wing politicians. We're talking Trump, we're talking Netanyahu. You'll notice these guys they're basically people who are facing jail time when they get convicted. And what they seek to do is manipulate their populations by creating fear of other. This gives them power. This keeps them out of the courts, keeps them out of jail. Politicians who do this, right-wing politicians, you'll always notice there's always something scammy about them. Sooner or later, controversies emerge, like scandals emerge. This is what one would call ethnocentric or egocentric mentality. They're in it just for themselves, or they're in it just for ethnocentrism, their loyalty to their race, their religion, their culture. It's a very backward and primitive form of human existence. Where we need to be as a species is world-centrism. World-centrism basically looks like this. You don't give a damn if your children marry someone of a different race or a different religion or a different color. Another form of world-centrism, the only flag I would wear on my backpack is the Earth flag. Not the American flag, not the Estonian flag, not the Malaysian flag, not the UAE flag. I respect these countries, but I see myself as an Earth citizen first. I would never, ever go to war with any country. I would sooner give up my religion than kill another man because my religion says that he's wrong. Yet, so many human beings are deceived into this stupid attitude of putting their national identity, their religion, their skin color before other human beings. This is what we have to end.
You know, I completely resonate with what you're saying because there's something that bothers me a lot, and it's that idea that people follow to their death an ideology, a religion, or a politician or whatever, just because he said so or it said so, they will do. They will not second guess or question for a second if it doesn't resonate, if it doesn't make sense, or if it doesn't add up. And I'm a Christian by birth, and my husband is a Muslim. And in many ways, I'm so grateful that I've married someone that we're not the same religion, because it makes you more tolerant. It makes you understand and want to learn. Because I love him, I want to know more about what he thinks and what he believes. And it's very important to kind of be open to question. And I think that's a huge part of growth mindset as well. And you're big on growth mindset, that people don't want to unlearn and learn something new, or question, or just be open to understanding. And that's, I think, a huge problem with what we're seeing nowadays in the world.